Hey everyone, it's Kelly here from Dye DIY. Now, if you ice dye, you may have noticed that some people put dye over their ice and some people put dye under the ice, and you might have wondered what the difference is between the two methods. So in this video, I'm going to show you. I'm dyeing two t-shirts, the same design, the same colors, but I'm putting the dye over the ice for one and under the ice for the other, so we can see exactly what difference it makes. Let's go. Okay, so in the end, what's the difference between dye over ice and dye under ice? Not much, really. So as you can see, the end results are very similar. The patterns and the colours have turned out pretty much the same. The dye under ice is a bit more defined. The dye stayed where I put it, and I think it's easier to get a uniform layer of dye. The dye over ice spread out a bit more, and you can see that there wasn't enough dye in some of the areas, so they've come out a little bit pale. So I think this experiment shows that if you want a precise application of dye, put your dye under the ice. If you want your colours to spread and mix and have a more random and softer look, then put your dye over the ice. But in the end, they're not especially different. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe if this has been useful to you.